This is also supposed to be pretty durable, so we'll go ahead and scratch it. I actually bend this thing to try to see if I could snap it in half. It blacks out, so people can't kind of see your phone. What's up, guys? So today we got a screen protector from SmartDevil. I want to thank them for sponsoring this video and sending this out. I've never actually bought or applied a screen protector in my life, so this is actually a first time experience. Got the 28 degrees anti-spy, so you will have privacy if you're, let's say, on a plane or something like that. And then you also do have on here a very strong glass, so we're going to test out a few of these things. All right, let's get this off. And alright, so let's get this open. Here is the screen protector itself here, so we'll just leave that alone. And here is the tool to apply it. Okay, and then we also do have, let's see, these are going to be your cleaning cloths. Right, so we'll just wipe it down and get it as clean as we can. All right, then we'll take our towel, dry it off. Pretty much spotless now. And then if you do have any type of dust, you can just do it like this, or just go across the screen. And try not to touch the screen if you can avoid it. So your phone should look perfectly smooth. It shouldn't have any dust particles. You want to make sure you have zero dust. Cover the alignment tool here. And make sure it's on here. Press all the four corners. And then we'll pull this tab right here. Boom. And you'll start to see kind of like a little bubble spreading out. So now we're going to remove this top piece right here. Alright, now we're just going to take this off. So now the screen protector's on here, and you want to keep your alignment tools and stuff like that. I wouldn't throw anything away. Just keep all your stuff in the box. But I want to show you guys the privacy feature, because I thought this was pretty cool. So you guys can see if I tilt it, it completely blacks out, so people can't kind of see your phone. And I'll show you like the difference from having this on and not having it on. You guys see the difference? Completely blacked out, looks like it's off pretty much. And I don't see any bubbles or anything like that, so that's really good. It did a really good job. And that was pretty fast. So a lot of the screen protector stuff, it's pretty it's usually, you know, kind of difficult to put the screen protectors on without having the annoying bubbles and stuff like that. But this was actually pretty easy, so I was really happy with that. And as far as the screen protector quality, I can't really notice a difference from just not having it on, just a regular screen. So I'm not experiencing any type of, you know, issue with that. It looks like I pretty much don't have anything on. Because if you do accidentally drop your phone, then we all know that you'll get less in trade-in value. Or if you're just somebody who sells your phones on eBay like I do or something, then you know you'll get less. So you always want to keep your, you know, device as safe as possible. This is also supposed to be pretty durable, so we'll go ahead and scratch it. Okay, not bad. Now this is supposed to have a coating on it that repels water, so I'm going to go ahead and just pour a little bit of water on here, see what it does. And you can see I could actually bend this thing to try to see if I could snap it in half. See how durable it is. Yeah, it's pretty durable. I mean, that's pretty solid. It's pretty solid. Alright, so most importantly, this thing does exactly what it's advertised to do. The blackout is probably the coolest thing I've seen, and it works. It was extremely easy to apply. Anybody could really do it. No bubbles, no dust. Great product. So check out the link down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.